Welcome to Convenience Talk. My name is Melanie, and today's topic is how to search for C-store owners using New Hampshire's UST database. So I wanted to start by going over this blog post on Convenience Talk, and the reason is it contains the links to all the UST databases organized by state. And if you go down the page and we go to New Hampshire, for here and click on this site, you end up on this page. And then so I picked underground storage tanks. I include other interests found at the locations. And then I picked gas stations. And then I hit enter and generated this report, which you can export to Excel. So it basically gives you the location information, the DBA, and the DBAs. And that's pretty much it. And that's it for New Hampshire. My name is Melanie, and thank you for watching this video.